Now, all of you, as you remember, I think it was last Thursday, I was conducting the session like this last Thursday, and due to some technical bugs and all, I couldn't complete. And it was like abruptly I had to end the session. Okay. Now, today we are meeting. Bhargav, noted dear, whatever you said. Now, all of you, I will not kill the time. I'll take you directly to today's topic. Okay, as you can see on your screen, articles. And when I talk about articles, it is more or less like definite, indefinite. Okay, and because maybe later on I'll need you to answer. So Shruti, Prapti, and let me give you mic access to at least just a second, all of you. Okay, I want to provide you mic access in case if I have to ask you any questions, then you can directly answer from there. Okay, so here we go. One moment, please. Niharika has joined as well. Now, Mahi. Okay. Mahi, you have got the mic access, dear. Okay, you can keep yourself mute for the
Yes.
time. Okay, Niharika, very good evening, dear. And post Mahi, I would like to provide it to Shruti. Okay. Shruti, you have mic access as well, Prapti, and later on, I'll provide it to the other students as well. Here goes Prapti. Okay. Now, those who have the mic access, keep it with you. Have a look over here. Okay, this is syllabus which you will be receiving by default as your lecture notes. Now, see, I'll start by introducing articles and then examples of articles and usage, and then you can say kinds, and then a quick revision, a quick recapitulation. Okay, now pay attention and stay there. See, so okay, we are going to start with the introduction. Now, all of you, articles, if I ask you, Prapti, dear, you have the mic access. Can you tell me what is an article?
A, an, or the.
Could you be a bit louder, dear? A bit louder, please.
A, an, or the are articles.
Okay, like can you go like can you define in more like what do we call it, more grammatical manner? Shruti, you're absolutely right. Shruti, how will you define what is an article?
Yes, sir. Sir, articles are the words which are used before nouns, for example, and there are three types of articles: a and the.
Thanks a lot, dear. Thank you, Prapti and Shruti. Thanks a lot. Yep, it is used before noun. Okay, now articles are words like a and the three that are used before nouns, and they tell us more about nouns and whether the noun is specific or general, like in specific. I just understand like this: specific, in specific. Okay, whether it is singular or plural as well. Now, have a look over here. Examples of articles we are going to discuss now. See, so grand welcome of this slide and have a look now. Some examples of articles are: the English teacher is absent today. I'm present although. Okay, the English teacher is absent today. I saw a bird sitting on the tree in front of my house. How many birds? A bird. Who is absent? The English teacher. Okay, and Prapti, definitely articles are the part of determiners. Okay, thank you. Now, kinds of articles. Have a look over here. Articles, basically they have two types. First is definite and second is indefinite. Indefinite is inspecific and definite is specific. Okay, think like this. Now, shall I write over here specific and inspecific? Okay, now these two words, have a look now. Usages of articles, all of you, pay attention over there. Okay, there are so many usages and all. Okay, today you all are going to learn. The definite article means the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. If you know the identity, if you know a specific person, thing, you can use the. And indefinite article, which is inspecific, an, is used before a noun that is general. So one is general, one is specific, or when its identity is not known. So an, indefinite, inspecific, in general, and identity is not known. Definite, the, and specific, and identity is known. Okay, now, so for example, Tom has a cat. How many cat? One. Tom has a cat. Now see, do we have any information available about the cat? Nope. No. This is the reason why we use article a, as its identity is unknown to us. Okay. Shruti, now would you please unmute yourself, dear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any pet at home?
No, sir.
Do you have any siblings?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you the sole child of your parents?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay, answer. Do you have any soft toys at your home?
Yes, sir.
How many soft toys do you have?
Sir, I have about 5 to 6.
You have
About 5 to 6 toys.
about 5 to 6. Okay. So I have 5 to 6. Okay. Definitely, we can't use article A or N over there because the quantity is more than 1. Okay. That too, definite you are saying the quantity is 5 or 6, something like that. If you would have said, I have a doll. So I could have said over here, I have a doll. Now, over here, this is the reason. See, because I don't have any information about the doll, because you just said I have a doll. So identity is unknown. Which doll? Like Barbie doll, or like Rapunzel, something like that. Okay, I'm not sure. Like this. If you know the identity, too good. If you don't know, then go with this article a. Okay, now all of you have a look over here. Now, example of article the dog that bite me ran away. Okay, I think yep, the dog that bite me. Okay, over here, do we have any information available about dog that ran away? Yes. Which dog ran away? Because it is the same dog that bite the subject. Okay, that's why I see all of you. The dog which bite me ran away. Which dog? The dog which bite me. So this is the reason why we use the article the, as its identity is known to us. Now let me do one thing. I don't know where is Mahi. I provided the mic access to her. It should be okay. That is the, sorry, who is that, dear? I think that is the first form. You know, V1, V2, bite, bit, bitten. Jivika, I got it, dear. It is something like bite, bit, bitten and all, right? V1, V2, V3, biting, bites, V4, V5. I got it, dear. Now, I was talking about Mahi and she is not there. I can see two of you. Other students, please keep your camera on so that I can ask you questions. Okay?
Camera on.
Sir.
Mahi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mahi, I was not able to see you. That's why. Now, Mahi, tell me one thing. Okay, what I was asking to you. Okay, Mahi, tell me one thing. Where do you go to play in the evening?
Playground.
Okay, which playground?
Tennis court.
Sorry?
Tennis court.
Okay, so is that playground available near your area in the premise of your society? Okay, so can you say like this? I go to the playground. I go to the playground which is available in our premise.
Yes.
See, all of you, Shruti and Prapti and all others, Mithun, pay attention. Jivika, I go to playground. I go to playground to play. Now she is saying I go to the playground which is available in my premise. We know the playground. We know the identity. It is present in her premise. That's why I go to the playground which is present in the premise of society. If you don't know the identity, don't use the. Okay. Now, if you know, then only use the. Shall I give you one more example? Okay, wait. Before I start quiz all of you, I have one more example. See, I think I told you this. I received a letter. See, all of you, I received a letter. You don't know from whom did you receive the letter, but you received one letter. So I received a letter in general. Okay, not specific. Now let's make it specific. The letter was WRITTEN, written by my parents. So in this way you can complete it. So here the is specific. Can you understand now? I received a letter, not specific, general. Okay, Shruti has understood. The letter was written by my parents. Now it is something known to us. The identity is known to us. The letter was written by parents. Now all of you, quiz time. So I'll do one thing. I'll just erase it and I'll take you all through the quiz. Okay, so let's start the quiz very fast. And here we go. So, okay. In the chat box, you all will answer. Fine. 3, 2, 1. Let's start with the quiz. How many kinds of articles are there? In the chat box, you all can answer, please. Okay, Shruti has already answered. Prapti, Mahi, Dhanesh. There are Niharika. Okay. Prapti, definite, indefinite. Vritika, 2. Abhinav, 2. Narayani, 2. Okay. You all are saying 2 types of articles. Mithun, you can answer. Okay. Mithun, Bhargav, Sai. Okay. They all are answering 2. Now let's see. Oh, sorry, my bad. Yep, there are 2 kinds of articles. Okay. Congratulations, all of you. Now let's go to the next one. Jiviko. Okay. Now another question. Now you have to fill the article over there, A or N. May I ask a question and question? Narayani is saying a, Jivika, Shruti, Prapti, you all are saying a. Okay, Abhinav, Bhargav, and Dhanesh as well. You all are saying a. Okay, now let's check. I think you all are absolutely right. Okay, may I ask a question? So now I have already asked you all. May I ask a question? Okay, let me ask you more questions. Now, fill in the blank with A or N. Okay, all of you. Ria is an interesting girl, an interesting girl. Prapti, Abhinav, Jivika, Shruti, Narayani, they have already answered. Okay, and Mahi, Vrutika, you all are saying that over here, Bhargav, Mithun, Ria is an interesting girl or interesting person or interesting human being. You must meet her or you must interact with her. Okay, thanks a lot, all of you. Okay, thanks a lot. Now, let's see. Okay, fill in the blanks with A or N. It is dash pleasant morning. Let us go for dash quick walk. Two articles. What is the right answer? A in both. Prapti is saying A in both. Jivika, A, N. Dhanesh, not N, not N. Shruti, Narayani, correct answer. Absolutely correct answer. Mahi, Niharika, Vritika, Samanyu. You all have given the right answers. Okay. And shall I request you all to keep the cameras on? Because it's not the responsibility of Prapti and Shruti only to keep the camera on. Other students, keep your camera on, please. And Anishka.
My camera is also on.
Mahi, did you say something, dear? I can turn on my camera. Okay, someone is okay. Others, but if you can turn on, then why not to turn it on? Keep it on. Now I can see Anishka over there. Mahi, dear, you are saying your camera is on, but I can't see you on camera. I seriously, I can't see you. That's what I'm saying. Okay, others, now I can see Mithun. I can see Vrutika. Mahi, now you are visible. Okay, dear. And Narayani is already there. Vrutika, Samanyu, and fine. So those, okay. See all of you. Whenever you join the session, make this your habit. Okay. Please don't wait till the time I'll request keep the cameras on. See what will happen. If I'll not see you, I'll not ask you questions because I don't know who's available over there. So, and the bonding will not form. So I know Prapti, Shruti, and Mahi so far. Now others are joining, Mithun and Narayani. So keep your cameras on. Samanyu as well. And Rutika as well. See, the correct answer is, yep, it is a pleasant morning. Let us go for a quick walk. I hope you all go for quick walk, but you all go to your bus stop, nearest bus stop, to board the school bus. That is your quick walk, okay? And before that, if you do walking, super. Okay, all of you. Rules of definite article, I'm going to share the rules of definite article, the. Pay attention. Have a look over here. The first rule of articles states that the should only be used before the nouns, singular noun, plural noun, which is specific. Specific, definite article, the. Okay? It points out a particular person, particular place, particular object, particular thing. Okay, like that, or another thing. For example, see, the teacher in the examination was soft spoken. The teacher in the classroom was outspoken. Okay, you know, soft spoken, outspoken. Many of us over here are soft spoken. They speak so softly, just like former Prime Minister of India, Honorable Manmohan Singh sir. And outspoken is just like the former President of United States of America, Honorable Barack Obama sir. He was outspoken and one was soft spoken. Now, she won all the money in the lottery. So specific money, particular money she won. Okay. Now all of you. The is used when the speaker talks about the whole group. For example, collective noun. The flock of birds is huge. The rich are respected and the poor keeps suffering. Okay. It is a brutal truth, all of you. Now, I have a question, all of you in the chat box. Please answer. A and the. A and the you have to fill. Which is the right answer? Oh, Jivika, you are in the speed of light. You have answered. Others as well. I can see so many students already answering. Jivika, Anupriya, Prapti, Samanyu, Arush, Dhanesh, Ruhi, Narayani, and Rutika, Mahi. The rich are respected. We just discussed this. The rich are respected here only. Yep. So that is the right answer, all of you. Okay. Now, other question. Pay attention. The is used to specify any point geographically on the map. For example, the equator is the hottest area. You know, equator, which divides Earth into two equal halves. So that is the hottest area. And the North Pole has many stars. In comparison to South Pole, North Pole will have many stars. Okay. And don't forget, we are talking about some geographical thing. That's why we are using the. Okay. Now, the is also used for those nouns which cannot be counted. If you can't count the noun, use the. See, the thieves stole some of the money from the bank. Here, only this the you have to work on. The money. Because we can't count money. The money. Huge money. The bank because specific bank. The thieves because specific thieves. We know the thieves. They have stolen the money from the bank. Okay? That is the reason.
Excuse
We
me, sir.
use the for United States, but we don't say the India. Prapti, are you there, dear?
Excuse me,
Prapti,
sir.
you can unmute yourself. Okay, all of you. Till the time Prapti
Yes,
is
sir.
unmuting. Okay. Prapti, I'll discuss your question. Okay, give me 1 second. The plants in the Pacific Ocean are colorful. We cannot count the plants, the whole plants. Okay. Now Prapti has a question. Prapti is saying, okay, my bad. Prapti is saying USA, okay, and INDIA. Now instead of USA, I'm writing over here United, my bad, just a second. United States of America, okay, and here India, and then here REPUBLIC, Republic of India. Okay, all of you, pay attention. Prapti ne, I think Prapti, you asked this question, right? USA is the short form. Jivika, thanks a lot, dear. Okay, I wish you keep your camera on. You have the mic access so that you can answer. Now, all of you, you have to use a, an, or the. Okay, the. Prapti, United States of America. Which one will you use, dear? Which article?
The.
Okay, the. With India, which one will you use? India. No article. Yep. Okay. No article. Narayani, you are absolutely right, dear. And what about the last one? Last one, Prapti.
The.
How did you come to know the? See, all of you, see. United States of America is showing the whole group. Okay, 50 states over there. Earlier it was in the year 1713 or 13 states. Now there are 50 states. So United States of America, like United Arab Emirates and all. So it is together as a whole group, whole bunch of group. India is singular, single entity. And here Republic of India is again the whole. That's why the Republic of India and only India and the USA. We don't say the India, okay? We say India only. But the Republic of India, we say like this, okay? And the United States of America, it is a quantity together, like that. This is the only reason. Now I'll have
Excuse
to
me,
erase
sir.
it. Okay. Did someone say something? Yes,
Yes,
Shruti.
sir. Sir, I didn't understand the third rule of the definite of the. I didn't understand the rules of the definite article. The rule number 3, the geographical one.
Okay, the geographical one. Fine, fine,
Yes, sir.
fine. Regarding the geographical, I'll do one thing. Give me 1 second. I'm just... Okay. That one, I'll repeat over here. 1 second. So I'll take you to that slide directly. Or shall I write it over here? Okay, let me write it over here. So we were discussing something called geographical. So how to use those things. See, I think the question is from Shruti. I'll request all others to pay attention. Okay. There is something called HORIZON, horizon. Okay. And then there is something called EQUATOR, equator. Then there is something called LONGITUDE, longitude. And then there is something called LATITUDE, latitude. I think we have more. A South Pole, North Pole. See, Shruti and all others, pay attention over here. When we are talking about geographical things and all, okay, like horizon, so the horizon, the equator. Why? Because you don't have to look for E, vowel E, A-E-I-O-U. So in that case, E is here. You don't have to write an, okay? You just have to use the equator. This is something geographical, okay? H, We say an R. See? We say an R. O-U-H-O-U-R. Because sound is of O and R. But over here, you don't have to see O. Don't say an horizon. Wrong. Complete wrong. Okay? The horizon, the equator, the longitude, the latitude. In geography, if you read these terms, use the. This what was their idea. Can you understand now? Thanks a lot. China. Okay, wait. China will be China only, but the Republic of China. What is the answer of this? China. Okay, China is China only, the Republic of China. Otherwise, only China. Okay, we use like this. Republic, the Republic of Congo, like this. Okay, all of you, now have a look. I want all of you, okay, to answer these questions very fast. Just a second. Okay, Narayani, can you hear me, dear? You have the mic access. Check once.
Yes.
Narayani, now the question is on the screen. Okay, others pay attention. You can answer in the chat box. And Narayani will answer over here. A and the. What is the answer?
The
Everyone knows the. Mahi has already answered. Sumanyu has already answered. Ruhi, Prapti, Abhinav, Divyanshu. The equator is the hottest area. And I don't have to tell you. Over here, the hottest, because we use the with superlatives. The hottest, the largest, the biggest, the smallest with superlatives. Equator, geographically, we use. Now, once again, all of you. Okay. So, Narayani, you can put yourself on mute. Let me take you to other slides. Dikansha, Mithun, pay attention. The is used before the names of rivers, oceans, lakes, groups of islands. Groups of islands like Andaman, Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands, something like that. Or greenlands, countries, mountains. For example, the Ganga is a holy river. The Nile is the longest river. Amazon, Nile, I think. And someone asked me this, right? This is what we were discussing. The United States of America has many cities. Why we are using the? Because we use it with some countries, group of states. Now, and one more information, all of you, just pay attention. The is used with those unique things and the only ones in the universe. Only ones. Earth is one, Sun is one, and planets are one. Like Neptune is one, but we have billions of other planets. We have billions of stars, but Sun is one. Okay. Now we have 140 crore people in India, but I am one, right? I'm only one. Like Shruti is only one, and Narayani and Prapti, all of you, we are only one single entity. Now, over here, but we don't have to use the Prapti. The Prapti is absent. The Narayani is present. The Shruti is absent. We don't say like this. Okay, don't use the with proper noun, please. Okay. Now, the sun is also a kind of a star. Okay, I think Jivika has turned on the camera as well. All of you, pay attention. I have some questions for you all. And the planet Pluto is known as a dwarf planet. Narayani, what do we mean by dwarf, dear? Dwarf planet? Those who have the mic, they can answer. Prapti, Mahi, Shruti, what does it mean, dwarf? Please answer.
a small planet.
Sorry?
A small planet is called a dwarf planet.
Yep, Prapti. Dwarf means small in size, which is too small. Jivika, noted, dear. Thanks a lot. Okay, now, fill in the blanks with the appropriate articles. You will answer in the chat box. Dash planet Neptune resembles the Earth. Okay, Neptune resembles the Earth. We have to use a and the. Arush is saying the. Prapti is saying the. Narayani, Shruti, Anupriya, Divyanshu, everyone is saying the. Because the planet Neptune, okay? It is single entity. It is one of a kind. Yep, all of you. Congratulations for giving the right answer. Okay, it was easy. But let's understand other questions as well. Okay, now let's do one thing. I think One second. Divyanshu is here. Divyanshu, I'm giving you the mic access, dear, okay? And then it will be like, wait. You will answer, and I wish you don't go wrong. If you go wrong, then others will answer. So here, just give me 1 second. Okay, Divyanshu. Divyanshu, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Divyanshu, I'm showing you the questions, okay? And along with you, one more person will answer, Jivika. Jivika, can you hear me? So both of you will unmute and answer, okay? And then mute yourself when you don't answer. Have a look. Okay, so Divyanshu and Jivika, the question over here. Dash sun dipped below the horizon.
The.
Sun.
The.
Da.
Did you say sun or did you say the sun, Divyanshu?
Da.
I think the sun you said. It is one, the sun. Okay, correct answer. Correct answer, all of you. Those who are answering the chat box, it's absolutely right. The sun. Now, one more question. Dash birds built a nest in the tree by the river. Jivika and Divyanshu.
Da.
Okay, both of you, the. That is the right answer, by the way. Okay, it's correct. Thank you. The birds built a nest in the tree by the river. Now, have a look over here. Next question. Dash ancient Egyptians built the pyramids. Jivika and Divyanshu.
N.
Is it N? Is it N or?
It should be the.
That's what I'm saying, thinking. Shruti. Okay. Divyanshu, dear. Divyanshu. Can you see S over here? S plural. Egyptians, plural.
Yes, sir.
Then why will N? No N, okay? So simply the. Okay, the ancient is plural. The. See? S was here. Got it? No worries. That was the catch. No worries. Okay? Now, other options. On Monday, an unarmed man stole 5 lakhs from the bank. Dash thief hasn't been caught yet.
Da. Sir, da.
No. Okay, others. Jivika? Why? Okay, why the is the right answer? All others in the chat box, Naraini and all. Because this thief, this unarmed man is thief. Specific. We know the identity, but the thief has not been caught yet. See, this is so much interesting. Okay, now one more question. My father enjoyed dash book you gave him. A and the.
Da.
Divyanshu is saying the. Jivika, I think your answer is the as well, because he's not the thief's. Yep, that's what I'm saying. We know the thief's identity. That's why we answered over there the. Okay, my father enjoyed the book you gave him, because this is the identity. We know the book. Okay, that's why. Now, tell me 1 second, all of you, for how much time do we have left? Shruti, how much time do we have? 5 minutes, do you? Okay. Now, all of you, wait. All of you, all eyes over here. Okay, very fast. Because I want to make you understand something important. Singular. And then comes plural. Shruti, what is the plural of boy? B-O-Y, boy. Shruti, what's
Sir,
the plural
boys.
of boy?
Boys.
And girl.
Girls.
Okay, do you think that I asked you all to wait for this thing? No. Okay, pay attention. Boy, boys, girl, girls, everyone knows. Tree, trees, mobile, mobiles, everyone knows. Now, all of you, pay attention. There is something called singular noun. There is something called plural noun. And there is something called zero plural. Okay? There is something called Z-E-R-O, zero plural. Now, you will be asking, what is this zero plural? Zero. So, have a look over here. W-A-T-E-R, water. Water has no plural form. Okay? Then comes, after water, rice has no plural form. The rice which we eat. Butter You eat butter, no plural form. And furniture, you have furniture at home, no plural form. Furniture. And you have baggage, luggage and baggage when you travel, no plural form. Baggage. So all of you, this what I had thought to tell you all. One is singular, one is plural, and one is zero plural. No changes. Okay. Now I'll tell you one thing, all of you. One second. I think someone is responding something over here. Hair, definitely. Jivika, hair. Okay, no plural. Sorry, zero plural. Afifa, zoo. Okay, Afifa, thank you, dear. And Divyanshu noted. So all of you, some words, they don't have plural form. They are called zero plural. Okay, keep this in mind. And okay, so this I have already shared. If you get free time, kindly search for more words. Someone is saying noodles. Okay, noodles, civics, physics, economics. They are already They are already series, and then species, like that. They are already plural. No plural form else. Okay. Now all of you. So this one already we have discussed. Okay. Once again. Consonant will discuss, and then we'll end the session. Next, whenever it will be scheduled, we all will meet. Okay. The name of any human. Can say like that, Shruti. Example you can give. Now see. Consonant words. We have consonant like B, C, D, letters, and vowels with a consonant sound have a before them. For example, G. Later, G is consonant. The sound is consonant. And a girl is sitting on the bench. Okay, we can't say an girl. It's wrong. We know. He goes to a school in Kerala. A school because it is consonant. S is consonant. Even the sound is consonant. That's why. Now, and this one I'll discuss very fast, and then we will end the session. And all of you, I'll upload these slides as lecture notes. And please go through the slides, and I'll give you one assignment. Please complete that assignment. So easy. Okay. Jivika, we add and with vowels only. Shruti is saying, okay. Yep, you're right. Now, a singular noun, that is common noun, must be written with a article or an article. A plural noun does not need any article, or the can be added. See, all of you, plural noun needs no article, no a, no n, because it is plural. A or n shows one quantity, single quantity. Plural, you can use the. See, I want to see a bird, means one bird, referring to any random bird. And the whale has a good memory. Now you'll be saying, why the whale? Because specific whale. A good memory, because referring to any random whale. Now all of you, see, this one. I want to see a bird, and the whale has a good memory. Okay, wait here. Wait. Something is fishy over here. What is fishy over here is this. The we are highlighting. The, okay, not a. And here we are highlighting. Like good memory is something called adjective. Good memory is adjective. And we are talking about the well. Okay, random. Referring to any random. The well has a good memory. One second. Let me look into it. The well has a good memory. Any random. I want to see a bird, referring to any random bird. Okay, all of you, wait for a second, please. What I have told you, we don't use the with random things. We use the with specific things. Okay. Now we are the last 1 minute we have. So here I'm just finishing the session. Alok, that is the birds are going in the home. The birds is the right answer. Okay. Now wait. Before we all say goodbye to all others. See, all of you. I just want to make you all understand. The well has a good memory. Over here it has been used because it is referring to someone specific, not random. When it's specific, then the. When random, you don't know in general, then use a or n. Okay. This concept I don't want to give you. There is something, you can say some error over here. But as you have understood already, the previous slides and all. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll just take, okay, I'll just sign off now. We all will meet next time whenever the session will be scheduled. But tell me one thing, okay? Let's conduct a quiz. Let's have a quick poll. It will take 30 seconds. The poll is regarding how many of you have understood singular, plural, and zero plural. There is something called zero plural. They don't have plural form. How many of you have understood this? Zero plural concept. Okay, many of you are saying yes. I can see Arush, Jivika, Afifa, Kshitiz, Anishka, Divyanshu, Narayani, Dikansha, Shruti, Prapti. Okay, all of you. At least you understood zero plural, other usage of articles. The session is at least fruitful. Other doubts and queries will continue in the next session. Fine? Okay, on this note, I'm ending the session. I wish that we meet soon. Okay, if I miss the chat, don't take it personally. Bye-bye, all of you. Enjoy the evening. Take
Bye,
care.
sir.
Bye. Thank you. Thanks a lot, dear. Bye-bye.